Hey there friends, ETPC here, doing a mystery unboxing. Somebody sent this to me, not exactly sure what it is, so we're going to find out here. I think it might be the same thing I got a while back, but we'll find out here in a little bit exactly what it is. Yes. So, I just got some of these earlier before too, in a mystery unboxing, and these are little brass corner pieces. So if you have a trunk or something you want to add a little bit of rustic looking as well as protection to it, you have these little brass fittings. So say you have this little box or something, and those will fit on there like that. And actually looks kind of cool when you do this. It looks like, an old trunk or something. And these are kind of distressed and looking. So it kind of gives you like a treasure chest feel. So it also has screws for each one of these holes here and there. And so it would look kind of like that. And add some protection to your trunk or your box or whatever you want to add these to. So it's kind of a cool little idea. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can check these out on Amazon. I'm not exactly sure how much they run. I think it's around $3, if that. And it has the screws in there. So 4 little corner pieces, and I believe 12 screws, so 3 for each. So pretty neat little idea if you want to have a little project and maybe make your trunk or your box look a little bit more rustic. Not a bad thing there. Thanks for watching this little unboxing, mystery unboxing. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.